In this video, I am going to teach you how to use Relume AI, and I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can create a stunning website using the said AI. So, if you don't know what Relume AI is, it is an innovative website builder that leverages artificial intelligence to help you create beautiful or responsive websites without writing a single code. So, with its intuitive interface and powerful AI features, anyone can design a professional website in minutes. So, first, what we are going to do here is instead of creating immediately your website, what you need to do is to go to Webflow. So here in Webflow, you just need to log into your account again and then just create a blank site. So just click the new site button and then go with a blank one. So once you are in here, go to the left hand interface of your screen and then from here, go and locate this icon right here which represents the apps. So in here, just simply type in Relume. So since I have already installed that, I have Relume on this section right here. But if you haven't yet, you just need to select Relume from the results and then install it into your sites. So once you have successfully installed Relume in your blank page or blank site rather here in Webflow, let us go back to Relume and start creating the website. So now what you are going to do here is click this new project button situated on the upper right part or upper right corner of your screen. And then this is where you need to type in on this section, type in the prompt for Realm AI to build and generate your website. So in here, you actually need to describe the company in a sentence or two to generate a sitemap. It says right here. So you're just going to do that. So now, after describing or adding the description of your company, on the section, this is where you can change or choose the number of pages that you want to generate for your website. And you can also change the language. And once you're satisfied with the settings, just hit this generate sitemap button right here and wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, you already have different sections for your homepage first. So let us zoom in. Now you have your header section, features list section, benefits section, up to the CTA section. Now, if you don't want any of this section or one of this section, you just need to click on it and hit delete on your keyboard. And consecutively, you can just simply drag each section if you want to change the order of your sections. So now once you scroll down, you'll be able to see the different parts or pages for your website. So you have about us, services, portfolio, blog, contact us, social media management, SEO, content creation project, blog posts. So now if you want to generate content for each of them, you just need to hit this generate content on the bottom part of it and basically do the same for every page available for you in here. So I'm just going to generate content for contact us also. Now if you don't want or if you want to delete the a specific part of this or part of or page of your website, what you need to do is to select that page and hit delete again on your keyboard. So I'm just going to basically do the same for this sections or these pages right here. And if you're already satisfied with what you have, what you need to do next is to go to the wireframe. So before we continue, if you don't know what sitemap is, a sitemap in here is like a visual representation or plan that outlines the structure of your website. So it maps out the hierarchy and the organization of the different pages and sections within your site. So the sitemap also helps you understand how users will navigate through your website, showing the relationships between the main pages and also these pages and even the specific content areas. Now for the wireframe in this one is a like a skeletal layout of a web page focusing on the arrangement and placement of elements like the headers, the footers, images, buttons, and content blocks. So it is typically a low fidelity design, meaning that it doesn't include colors as you can see right here. It doesn't include colors, fonts, or detailed graphics. Instead, it provides a basic structure of how the website will look and function. So now again, after you are satisfied with what you have right here, let us go to the wireframe section or version of your website. So let us try to check the layout of your or the overall layout of your website. Now, if you want to change something right here or add section, you can do so by hitting this button right here. It says add section or plus icon then section. So hit that, then you'll be able to add different sections, and you can also tweak any changes right here in the details of your website. But if you're satisfied with what you have, that is what we are going to do next. Rather is to go back to the Webflow. Now, once you are in here, you can just hit this icon right here, apps again, and then select Relume and hit launch up. And after that, you just need to log into your account. And after you have successfully linked your account with Webflow, you just need to select the project that you want. Right here, it says right here untitled project. So this is my project right here. It says untitled project. So I'm just going to select this one and wait for a few seconds. Now I'm just going to select primary sitemap right here, add the pages. And if you want to or for your website to achieve best results, so it says right here, it appears that your project has not been started with the Realm style guide. To achieve the best results, clone the style guide and import into the newly created project. So you can opt to do that one. You can opt to clone your style guide here in Webflow, but we are not going to do that in this tutorial because it will take a lot more time. So I'm just going to select import anyway and wait for the pages to be imported here in Webflow. So you need to take note that not every pages will be imported. It will only import a limited amount of pages, but you can just create one if you want to. So let us wait for a few seconds or up to until few minutes for the or all of the pages to be imported properly here. Now, after you have successfully imported your pages here in Webflow, you can just edit every section that you want to change the alignment, the spacing of your elements or contents of your pages. And you can also opt to edit static and dynamic content once you click onto the section right here and select edit. So if you want to change the content, for example, of this section, hit this pencil-like icon on the upper left corner of that element and then change the content of it. And then again, you can just edit and customize your page based on your preference or your style. So that's basically it. That is how you can use Relume AI and create a website. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.